Hello friends, I came up with a new oil pastel, but today it's not a normal oil pastel. Today I'm going to make a Janmashtmi card for Krishna's birthday. Let's begin by pasting our sheet. 1, 2, 3, boom! Now it's time for a beautiful coloring. Now we are going to do rose pink. Fluorescent pink. I'm going to do light orange. Now I'm going to do orange. Now I'm going to do deep yellow. Now I'm going to do yellow. Coloring is done. Now we're going to do blending. We're going to blend it with magic, you can see. Abracadabra, Bobby Boo. Blend this oil pastel once you do. Ta-da! Look at the beautiful colors blend. Blending is done. Now we'll draw. Coloring is done and the drawing is done. Now by magic, we'll make it dark. Abracadabra, Bobby Boo. Make this coloring very dark. That I do. Ta-da! It's all dark. Our decoration is done. Now we'll remove the tapes. My coloring and drawing and everything is finished and everything is sticked also. It's looking so beautiful. I could watch it every day. So cute. Happy birthday, Krishna.